Ugly Pumpkin by David Horowitz.
I am the ugly pumpkin, as you can plainly see. Of 100,000 pumpkins, none are quite like me. Since early in October, I've been waiting to get picked, but each time things start looking up, I end up getting tricked. A skeleton came for pumpkins one bright and crispy day. I asked if I could get a ride. He laughed and said, "No way!" And when I said I'm getting late and I don't have a home, he rolled his eyes, said goodbye, and left me all alone. So I walked into November where I happened on some trees. I asked if I could stay a while, and this time I said, "Please." The trees all started smiling, and then one finally spoke. "Take off your boots and spread your roots." Another cruel joke. "I am the ugly pumpkin!" I shouted to the sky. And then it started raining, so I began to cry. I took shelter in a garden that was overrun with squash. I noticed something very odd and then thought, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I am a squash. At last it was Thanksgiving and I found where I fit in. Now you know my story, so let the feast begin. Happy Thanksgiving. Until next time, the ugly pumpkin.